Where are the little blue squares? How to modify your surfaces. When you select the surface, it'll be highlighted in red and every other surface will become semi-transparent. You can move the surface anywhere on the screen, as well as modify its shape or orientation using the arrows. For a more in-depth shape modification, you can also use the little blue squares in order to move the corners around, as well as these little green dots in order to make ellipses. You can also change the shape of the ellipses and make it more draggable, and add more ellipses by pressing the plus sign. If you do not see the little green dots, that is because you are not in a polygon shape. Sometimes you might click on a surface and the little blue squares are not visible. Do not panic, this is simply because the surface is too small on your screen. You can either zoom in order to see the squares, or you can make it bigger, which will also make the squares visible.